I I don't know what's wrong with me these days. Okay? I can't find a damn man. I'm getting so fat in my face. I don't know why I'm so single. All of my friends having baby showers and I can't have a baby.
Bruh.
I can't have a baby. Every minute someone comes in me. Girl, hold up. What?
I just want to say, oh, you know, how beautiful you are. Yes, beauty can define you.
Mitchie, what you just said to me?
Yeah, you're very
I'm beautiful? Excuse me. Excuse me, you just disrespected me and calling me beautiful. Can you see a girl like this talking on the phone? You're gonna tell me that I'm beautiful? You just tell me that I'm beautiful? Excuse me, bye. Okay. Bye. Yes, bitch. I was saying, like, I don't know why, like, people don't even approach me these days. I don't know why people don't approach me. But I'm gonna have to pray and go on fasting. I just can't take it. Hi, bitch. I be. I'll see you.